Hey, what's up guys, welcome to this channel. In today's video I'm just going to guide you how to buy and sell USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB and other cryptocurrencies using Binance P2P method. So let's get started. Have you created your Binance account and you don't want to deposit funds directly from your bank, or you don't have credit card to deposit funds? So don't worry, because in this video I'm just going to show you the best and easy method called Binance P2P. Using P2P you can buy and sell USDT, Bitcoins, Ethereum, BNB, BUSD and other cryptocurrencies that are listed. But on P2P, listen, on P2P exchangers put its own price rate. They don't sell coins on the market price, and they will give you its own price rate. You cannot decrease and increase the price rate. Whatever the price is, you should buy and sell on that price. So log into your Binance account and come to trade menu, go to P2P option. In Binance P2P you can see there are 5 cryptocurrencies, six cryptocurrencies like USDT, Bitcoins, BUSD, BNB, Ethereum and DAI. What it means? It means you can buy and sell these cryptocurrencies. These 6 cryptocurrencies that are listed on Binance P2P, only you can buy and sell these cryptocurrencies, not any other ones. The same methods and the same process work with these 5 or these 6 cryptocurrencies, whether you want to buy or sell Bitcoins, BUSD, BNB, Ethereum or DAI. The method is same. The method works with any of this. Okay, here you can see 2 options, buy and sell. It means you can buy USDT, Bitcoins, or you can sell USDT and Bitcoins and these cryptocurrencies. Okay, for now I will buy. Okay, let's check the price. Suppose let's check, I want to buy BTC. Here I will show you just only the price. Check the price. Let's suppose I will select USD. This is the fiat or the currency that I want to buy the coin. Okay, now I'm going to show you what the price is changed from the market. The market price is something else, and the price that are listed or written in P2P, this is true. There are too much differences. See, this person will sell 1 Bitcoins at 37,898, and what is the market price? Let's check on CoinMarketCap. The market price of Bitcoins is the today price is 35,895. It means 2,000. There are 2,000 differences. If we see the next person, if you scroll down there, you will see higher and higher prices. The second person will sell the Bitcoins 38,000, say 39,000, 40,000, 41,000, even 44,000. There are the exchangers that sell Bitcoins at 44,000, and this exchanger just completed 98% orders. Ooh, what you means? It means if you buy Bitcoins, let's suppose if you buy Bitcoins at market price at 35,000 and come to P2P method and sell your Bitcoins at 44,000, see the changes. 9,000 changes. So how much profit it has? That's why people prefer to sell their coins or to sell their coins on P2P because of its profit. Okay, let's check BNB. What BNB not listed? Let's check Ethereum. Also, no one is selling Ethereum and no one is selling BNB. What about BUSD? I think there should be exchanges that are ready to sell BUSD, but most of the time people sell bitcoins and USD, and people buy bitcoins and USDT, because these four coins it don't have much customers or much users that should prefer P2P to buy these coins. Okay, here we have BUSD too. Okay, you get that in P2P, exchanger will put its own price rate. The price of P2P is different from market price. Okay, now how to buy these coins? I will give example of USDT, and I am going to buy it with AUD, Australian dollar. Select your currency, whether you are on America, whether there's American dollar, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, or Bangladesh, Indian, any currency that you are belong to. Select your currency. Okay, what about this amount? In here you will type the amount of Australian dollar that you want to buy USDT, whether 500, 100, 1000, 5000. Once you select your currency, then here type the amount, like I want to buy 500 Australian dollar. Okay, next, payment method. You need to select the payment method that you can pay your Australian dollar to the exchanger, whether bank transfer, cash deposit to bank, PayPal. Here you can select the payment method. For now I will see all payments. Okay, now here you will see the lowest price you will see at first and the higher price you will see at the end. Let's check. The first one is selling USDT at the price rate of $1.31 Australian dollar, and the last see $1.33. It means the lowest price will be at the top. What this yellow arrow means? It means that this exchanger is trusted by Binance. You can trust it 100%. And for now, this exchanger just completed 2,103 orders and 99.20% completion. The well trusted person. You can buy USDT from this exchanger simply. Okay, limit and available. Available USDT is 4,530. Limit, you can buy minimum 200 and maximum 5,934 Australian dollar. And this exchanger will accept only these two payment methods: bank transfer, wise. You should transfer the money using this payment method. Then click on buy USDT. Once you click here, make sure you have verified your SMS authentication. You just verified your phone number, otherwise you cannot buy any cryptocurrency from P2P. Okay, now here I want to pay. What it means, I want to buy 500 Australian dollar and I will receive 381 USDT. Okay, the price is 1.31 Australian dollar and available $4,530. Payment method you can see here. Payment time limit. Okay, simply click on buy USDT. Once you click on buy USDT, then you will receive message from the exchanger. Then start messaging. Just tell them which payment method he or she can accept without this two payment method, and how you should transfer your money and when he will transfer USDT to your spot wallet. Just without messaging, without texting, never send money to this person or any person on P2P. At first start messaging, talk with them, and then send your money to his bank or any payment method that he accept. Then you will get your USDT dollar on the spot to your spot wallet, to your USDT address. Simply click on buy USDT and buy USDT from this person. This is the method how you can buy USDT. The method of buying bitcoins are same. The same method you can apply for bitcoins, Ethereum, BNB, USD. So for now I don't need, only for education purpose I just made this video. I just want to guide you how you can use P2P. So okay, how you can sell your USDT or bitcoins on P2P. Let's check how you can sell it. Okay, now simply click on sell. Let's cancel this order. Click on sell option. Now let's check the sell market price. Let's take example of Bitcoin here. Select USD. Now we will select in which price people are selling on P2P. See, 36,000. You are going to buy bitcoins at 38,000, 39,000, 40,000, and while selling, you are selling your bitcoins at 36,000, 35,000, 34,000. See, there are the differences. If we check the market price is 35,000, then people are selling bitcoins at 35,000, 35,000, 36,000. Okay, let's go to USDT. Suppose I have USDT and I want to sell it. Okay, suppose I want to sell my USDT at Australian dollar. Select the currency, Australian dollar. From here type the amount, suppose 1,000, or you can just leave it empty. Okay, payment method, which payment method you accept, or which payment method that this exchanger are accepting if you want to sell your bitcoins. Here are people that want to buy USDT from you, and you are here to sell your USDT. You are here to sell your USDT, to sell your bitcoins, and these people are here, they want to buy USDT from you. Okay, suppose here we will select payment method, which payment method they can accept or they can send Australian dollar to you to get USDT. Okay, simply suppose let's click sell USDT. This is the lowest price rate, the lowest price, not the lowest. Here you can see the highest. See the changes. If you click on buy, the lowest price will be at the top. If we click on sell, the higher price or the highest price will be at the top. It means scroll down and select this one. Okay, click on this is the available that one. No, here this person has lots of USDT. The limit is 10,000 to 1 lakh, and this is the payment method. Click on sell USDT. I want to sell. How much USDT you want to sell? Suppose I have 2,000. I'm selling 2,000. Oh no, the limit is 10,000. You miss the minimum. You should select 10,000. You want to sell your 10,000 and you will receive 20,900 Australian dollar. Okay, then set my payment method. At first you need to set your payment method, then because in which payment method you want to receive. How you can do it? Simply let's click here. Let's click open the link in a new tab. Okay, once you come here, you have not added any payment method. Simply click add a payment method. Okay, bank transfer or click more. Here you can see all the payment method. Check, select the one that you can accept. I think bank transfer is better. Once you click on bank transfer, okay, now here simply type bank account number, bank name, account opening branch, optional tips, then click confirm. Once you complete this, then click on confirm, then finally your payment method will be completed. And then go back here. Once you come here, then you will not receive this option. Simply click on sell USDT and the people will send Australian dollar to you, and you will send USDT to the person or to his USDT address wallet. This is the easiest method to buy and sell coins on P2P on Binance P2P. Okay, I hope you get the today's video how you can buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoins, BNB, Ethereum, BUSD, USDT, or how you can sell. And on Binance P2P, people will set its own price rate. The price rate of P2P with market price is different. So I hope you get this step or this Binance P2P method. If you have any confusion, if you have any question regarding to this video, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Okay, if you like this video, just hit the like button. If you want to make money with crypto, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload a new video. So till the next video, goodbye, see you.